Good morning, everyone. Today I'm headed down to San Diego, leaving Fullerton Train Station. We're going to be taking Amtrak Surfliner in their business class. Our train's leaving in about 20 minutes. It's a 2.5-hour ride. And it should be here any minute. We're on track 1 and sitting in business class. Yeah, this Fullerton station is very small. There's not much to eat around here. They have a small cafe, and that's about it. Purchased my ticket online, and I was able to download it to my app, or you could buy your fares here. So we are here in Fullerton, heading all the way down to San Diego, Santa Fe. It's the last stop. Takes 2.5 hours.
On the train. Coach passengers to your right, please make your way to your right. Count those blue recyclable bins are going to board at the rear of this train. Once again, coach passengers, do that now. Make your way to the right. Please make your way past those blue recyclable bins. You'll board at the rear of the train last couple.
Here it is, right on time.
Bicycles to the rear of the train.
You wanna go over here?
Business.
Tickets. Do you need tickets now or?
No, you're good.
Alright.
Business class.
We going upstairs. We got left or right? This way. This side, on the right side. Let's go over here. Can you hold this? Going southbound, and on the right side is Ocean View. There's an outlet here.
Our next station stop
120.
in about 5 minutes will be Anaheim. Anaheim next stop, 5 minutes.
Reclines quite a bit. Whoa. Yo, this isn't bad. Air vents up here. The light. Oh. Okay. So we're sitting in the reserved seating area, where if you have a family of 4, you guys could sit together facing each other, which is nice. But if you're sitting in a normal seat, this is what it looks like. You get a tray table. This looks super ancient. Oh my god. So that's that. Oh, it's heavy. Then a footrest. And these seats also recline. Reclines quite a bit. Oh, I also want to mention, if you do have luggage, they have space on top of the seats where you could put your luggage.
And our next station stop, Anaheim. Anaheim now arriving, folks. If Anaheim's your stop, please make your way downstairs to exit. Anaheim now arriving.
And they got pastries for us, sitting in business. Oh, this looks like blueberry, pineapple cream cheese. I'm gonna grab a blueberry and some coffee. and water. Coffee's pretty good. Edna's Bakery. It's blueberry. Let's check out the bathroom. This is a handicap bathroom. Oh. I think it's locked. Whoa, it is massive in here. I mean, yeah, it's a handicap bathroom, but yeah, it's massive. You got your toilet paper, your toilet seat, hand dryer, soap, sink, and tissues. And it doesn't smell half bad in here.
Folks, your next station stop, Juan Capistrano coming up. Next station stop in about 30 minutes will be Oceanside. Oceanside next stop, 30 minutes.
We're almost at Oceanside. We left from Fullerton, so somewhere around here. Now we're all the way down here. Still got a long ways to go. Final stop is here. Got about an hour and a half left.
Awesome. Look beautiful. Look beautiful, baby. Did you have good discussion with Tiffany?
Try not to get sick. You want to throw on a mask? Everyone's sneezing and coughing. We're bound to get sick. I say that's one downside of public transportation. Where are we? Encinitas?
Yes. Yes.
Whoa. There's a bunch of surfers out there here. I think we're near Encinitas. But anyways, wow, there's a lot of surfers out there. I've never seen that many surfers in one area. Wow, yeah, it's huge. Look at down there. It's pretty tall.
And this is Solana Beach, Solana Beach.
25 years. I just saw her at the anti-aging show. She goes all over the world. She trains everything for an esthetician. She's like a master trainer. She goes to all these schools. They hire her to bring in the top products. I could give her your product and it'd be done.
My favorite Roblox game is props. I love lots of props.
I will make sure they're best.
When are we here? It's already nighttime. When are we here? It's nighttime. Oh yeah, the sun is going down.
It's not nighttime.
Look, the sun's going down.
This is Old Town. Second to the last stop before our stop, Santa Fe. Old Town, San Diego.
And folks, this is Old Town Station. This will be the last call for Old.
Cabin is still fairly empty. Bunch of empty seats.
Exit Downtown San Diego coming up 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Doesn't matter. The last stop. I can't wait. Can't wait to get off.
Yeah.
It's a San Diego airport. Yeah, San Diego International. And I see downtown. Just back there.
Oh my god, look at all the homeless people.
Oh man. That was a lot. We're in downtown. Downtown San Diego. Was that a pirate ship? Oh, doggy. Is this it? This is the train station. We're here, Santa Fe. Go that way?
Got everything.
I got everything. Could we go there? No, we'll go this way.
I'll show you.
Go back one.
We can go down this way.
Down.
Oh, I got it for.
Do we have to go across?
We have to go down.
Oh, why don't we go down one and then cross?
Oh no, it's open.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Then what was she talking about? Oh, there's extra space for your luggage if you don't want to lug it upstairs. Is that it? This is it. Yeah, it's chilly. It's definitely chilly. Santa Fe. Well, that was the train ride. It was 2.5 hours from Fullerton to San Diego's Santa Fe station on Amtrak Surfliner. It was an overall great experience. We had some nosy neighbors, but you know, that comes within the territory of public transportation. Beats the heck out of driving for sure. So, thanks for watching. Until next time.